Right here on the screen, you are looking at a new flagship device from Tecno. Wow! Welcome back to my channel. A new smartphone with a new design every year. Big shout out to Tecno. Today I'm gonna talk about the new Tecno Spark 40. Please stick around to find out so that you won't miss anything from this video. Take a look at this smartphone. It comes with 3 camera bomb with LED flashlights all located at the back, which is pretty amazing. Some says that it looks like oncoming iPhone 17 Pro. You know what, since that device is not officially released in the market, we don't know for sure what it will look like. So let me know what you guys think about the design down the comment section below. Let's give credit to Tecno here. I love how stylish it looks and the way it feels in the hand. That is incredible. It comes with 4 different colors, which is the ink black, very white, titanium grey, and the mirage blue, so it can be easy for you to pick any color of your choice. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the unboxing experience. Please, if you're new to my channel or this is the first time of you coming across my channel, I will be happy if you use this opportunity to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I drop a new video, just like this one you're watching. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the phone, wrapped just like the previous Tecno phones. As for the price, it goes around $85,000, which is equivalent to 142,000 naira. Oh my god, with that you can get a phone that has the same look with the oncoming iPhone 17 Pro. Another interesting part is that Tecno also include a protective rubber case inside the box. Getting this device, you don't need to look for any other case. Support 45 watts fast charger. Tecno also include the USB Type-C charging cable. And lastly, we got the earpiece. This is all we got in the box. Let's keep this aside, go ahead and unwrap the phone and see what it offers. On the right side of the device, we have the power button and the volume up and down rocker keys. To the left, we have a dual nano SIM card thread and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we have the headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C charging port, and a speaker. At the top, we have the secondary speaker. To be honest with you guys, the speakers sound really good for the price it offers. The Tecno Spark 40 supports IP64 dust and water resistance. That means even if this smartphone mistakenly fall inside water, you don't have to worry about it, it's gonna survive. The side-mounted fingerprint responds so fast to touch whenever I want to unlock the phone. Speaking about the battery, it features 5200 mAh battery. So in terms of battery life, battery capacity, and even charging speed, the Tecno Spark 40 is like your best option under 150k price point. I'm talking about the price. It rated around 142,700 naira for the 4GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage. Now let's talk about the size. It features 6.7 inches punch hole display. Not even that, it supports 720p HD plus display with up to 800 nits of peak brightness. That makes it enjoyable when consuming content with this device. Outdoor usage is pretty good, and scrolling from one social media apps to another is smooth thanks for the 120Hz refresh rate. Well, let's talk about other things. It's powered with MediaTek Helio G81 processor. Playing game with this device is massive. I play a lot of games with this device. I did not notice any lag. Everything runs pretty good smooth. So if you are enjoying this video and the effort I'm putting up when making this video, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's talk about other things. Okay, let's talk about the camera. The Tecno Spark 40 comes with 50 megapixel main camera supported by auxiliary lens. Then at the front side of the device, it comes with 8 megapixel selfie camera. Images on the main camera appears decent and colorful with a lot of details, which is pretty good and amazing. Now I'm recording video in 2K 30 frames per second. This is how the footage looks like. Let me know what you guys think down the comment section below. Now coming to my conclusion, I will say it is the best looking, fastest charging phone under 150k. Because you can't take away the fact that this design is nice. Not only with a massive 5200 mAh battery, it also charges up to 45 watts fast charging. For me, the design is overall. So if you're going for this device, you don't have to bother about the battery. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on my next video. Peace out.